Oh, I have blonde hair now. Yeah. Hey beauty babes, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So today I did this very natural, very kind of like dewy, very like highlighty, I don't know what words I'm saying anymore, kind of look. I just paired it with this really light, very pink lip, and I'm really proud of how it went. I kind of wish I did this during the summertime, but I kind of realized that there are so many people who might watch me that live in like Florida and like a bunch of really hot states that the sun is always out, and can I please just live there with you guys? Like, oof. I live in Ohio and it is like snowing and it's crazy cold and just too much for me. Oof. But yeah, if you guys want to learn how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my color correcting cream, and I just call it tinted moisturizer because basically it's moisturizer except with like your skin color in it. That's kind of all it is. And I'm just going to be putting a little bit of this on my face. Okay guys, next thing we're doing is concealer, and I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Concealer, and I'm just putting a little bit underneath my eyes, on my chin, and on my forehead. And make sure to keep this because we're also going to be using this when we do our brows. Okay guys, we are doing brows now. I am taking out my CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Honey Brown. And because this is kind of like a, you know, very relaxed, almost like natural dewy look, we're not going to be really shaping our brows as much. We're just going to be more like filling them in. So I'm just going to be brushing them out a little bit. Now that we are done with our brows, I'm going back into my concealer, and I'm just kind of going to shape them just a little bit, not too much though. Okay guys, now we are doing contour, and we're just doing it very lightly. So I am pulling out the Mascara Contour Kit, and this is by Maybelline New York. And I'm just going to be doing it really lightly because like I don't want there to be too much, because again, this is like a natural look. Okay guys, so now it is time for highlighter, and actually I just found this and it's like super good. I think it's very glowy, it's super shiny, and I think it's perfect for like a kind of dewy-ish look. It is the Winky Lux, and this is a strobing balm, and it's in the color Bubbles. I will have it in the link down below, and it's like, it's pretty small. The product is kind of small. Like, I kind of expected it to be a little bit bigger, but it works like crazy, and you really don't need to use that much when you're applying it. So yeah. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my fan brush, and I'm kind of just going to be dipping it in here a little bit, and it is not it's not like a powder-ish, it is liquid, but I like to use this anyway because I feel like when you use your hands, it's like you're not as in much control, and it's just like harder to do. So yeah. It's so sparkly. I I can't contain myself. Okay. It's going to be so freaking dewy. Okay. So now I'm taking a kind of small brush, probably would be used on eyeshadow, but you know, it's fine. And I'm going to be dipping it back into the highlighter, and I'm going to be putting it in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm also going to be putting it like a little bit on my eyelid. Just like a little bit though, like, and then just like dabbing it out again. And we're putting it right here. Right on our lip. Okay guys, so if you want to, you could like just stop here and you could just put on mascara and just go on with your day. But for me, I kind of want to make this into a little bit of like a natural, but like still like you can tell you're wearing makeup-ish kind of look. So I'm going to be pulling out my NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner, and this is in the color Hella Fine. Some eyeliner, just like not regular, no wing, just regular eyeliner. And this is, I'm just doing this because I'm putting on false lashes after this, and if you don't, then you can kind of tell that like where the glue is and stuff, so this will just make it easier. So I just finished my eyeliner, and as you can tell, I just did it regular, and I'm going to be pulling out my Kiss Wispy lashes, and I actually got these on Amazon, and it was like a whole thing, like, I don't even know how much, I think it was like 5 lashes for like $7, maybe 10, I don't remember, but I will definitely have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. And I'm just going to be using, obviously, these because they're all the same, except I just cut some of them. So yeah, I'm just getting my lash glue. Okay guys, now while we are waiting for this to dry, I'm going to be doing my blush and my lipstick. So I'm taking out my Maybelline New York contour kit again, and I'm just going to be using the blush color. And I'm kind of going to do like a little bit, not too much. I normally don't wear a lot of blush. I don't know why, I just don't. Okay guys, for lipstick, I'm actually rubbing out a lip gloss because this is very natural, and we're just going to do something kind of like not too like boom, which is really hard for me because you guys know I like to go out on my looks, but it's fine, you know, I'm kind of enjoying this. Just take a little break. So I'm pulling out my CoverGirl, and this is in the color, I think it's in the color Berry Licious. I don't know, it's not really like, we're just gonna guess it's in the color Berry Licious because like there's like a bunch of different names on here. So now I'm pretty sure our eyelashes are dry, so I'm going to be taking out my eyelash curler, and I'm just going to be curling my lashes. I am pulling out my Less Sensational Maybelline New York mascara, and I am just going to blend my false and my real lashes together. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any video ideas, comment them down below, and I will try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to check out my social media, it'll be all in the end card. And yeah, remember, I make videos every single Friday. Bye!